Welcome back. Let us continue with our discussion on entropy. We have just discovered that entropy is a property which represents dq by t for a reversible process. So remember that entropy comes out of the fact that dq by t for a reversible process element is an exact differential, and hence we define our entropy either by the differential relation ds is defined as dq by t for any reversible process element, or something which is from a calculus point of view an equivalent statement is delta S12, which is S2 minus S1 is defined as integral 1 to 2 dq by t reversible, and this is for any reversible process from 1 to 2. Notice that the differential should be in the reversible case, the process should be a reversible process, and for the fixed initial state 1 and the fixed final state 2, you could select any process so long as it is a reversible process. So remember that just the way we had the definition of energy, it was in terms of a differential or in terms of a difference. This, the third property which we have come across in thermodynamics, the entropy, also is defined either as a differential or as a difference. And because of this, just like energy, exact value of S is meaningless. Differences or differentials of S between states are important. The things which we noted for energy are also applicable for entropy, and hence whenever we tabulate the value of entropy, for example, you have seen the values of entropy tabulated for steam in your steam tables. Okay. Similarly, they are tabulated for many other simple as well as complicated fluids, okay, and complicated materials. These will always be with respect to some reference state. For example, in case of water steam, you take the triple point state, take the saturated liquid water at triple point, and we define the entropy at that state to be 0. It is not thermodynamically 0, it is just a reference state. So that only means that suppose at some other pressure and temperature the value of entropy is S0. It is not the absolute value, it means the entropy of that state minus the entropy of saturated liquid water at the triple point of water is the value tabulated. That is it. Thank you.